But first, let's do, we call this is a coordinate, and then we call this a rectangular coordinate, right? And then we name this one x-axis. This is a y-axis, right? And then also Cartesian plane, okay? Descartes, René Descartes' name, and then we call it Cartesian plane. But when you name it axis, whatever you want, you can name it. This is a T and then Z, whatever. But in order to understand we together, then usually we use this x-axis. This is y-axis, right? And then in order to name it what quadrant, so divide by 4. So we call quadrant this quadrant 1. We call this quadrant 1, and this is what 2 and 3 and 4, right? And then this point in the middle, we call it what? We call origin, okay? We call origin, right? This point origin there. So usually origin. And then this is 0, 0, right? Origin is 0, 0. And then on the right side, this x-axis right side, we write 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. On the left side, -1, -2, -3 like that, right? And then above, also positive 1, 2, 3 like that, right? 1, 2, 3 like that. And then down here, -1, -2, -3 like that, right? We can keep on going down. So here, x-axis, any point on this coordinate, we can name it. So the order is important here. So let's say this point right there. Let's say, and the name of the point, we use a capital letter. Let's say this point is A. Then coordinate A is, we read it, x value first, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4. This is a 4, comma, and y value 1, 2, 3. 4, 3, we write it that way. So all the time, coordinate, first one is x-axis value, right? And then second one is y-axis value. Everybody got that, right? And so if first quadrant, x and y, both of them positive, that's first quadrant, right? And second quadrant, x value is, as you see, -1, -1, negative. So this is negative, y value positive, right? That's the second quadrant. And third quadrant, x and y, both of them negative, right? Got it? And then fourth quadrant is what? X value positive, y value negative. Everybody got it? And then we started from the top right, and 1, 2, 3, 4. So that one you need to memorize that way, right? Everybody knows that, right? So any point on that coordinate, you can read it from x value first, comma y value. So this is A. X value is what? 2. Y value 6. Then this A is what? 2, 6. Everybody got that, right? Easy, right? And then let's do this B right there. B is x value first, right? X value is from x-axis. The y-axis right here. This is 0, right? X value is 0, right? 0. So we read the horizontal first. So that's 0. And y value is -2. So B is a 0, -2.